Welcome to ABC Math. In today's topic, we're going to start with a short story. This story was around 1780 something, where a student wanted to keep his students a little bit busy, so he wrote on the board 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 98, 99, 100. He expected to keep the students a little bit busy for half an hour, maybe an hour. The students were about the age of 8, 9. A student named Gauss, who became a famous mathematician, in a few minutes raised his hand and he gave the answer, 550. The teacher went, how did he get it? So, he said 2 words. I observed a pattern. Remember those 2 words? Observe a pattern. And those 2 words makes the good mathematician. So what's the pattern that he found? He said, I've noticed that 1 plus 100 is 101. 2 plus 99 is 101. 3 plus 98 is 101. And all the way up to 50 plus 51 is 101. And that makes 101 plus 101 plus 101 50 times. And that's exactly like saying 101 times 50, which is 5050, which is the right answer. So what exactly did that student do? He observed a pattern. So, going back a little bit, what's mathematics and what's the building block of mathematics? Everything has a building block. So what's the building block for mathematics? The first answer that comes to your mind, of course, is numbers. But when we say a number, when we say 1 or 2 or 100 or whatever, what do we mean by that? It's counting something. When we say like 2 bananas, 5 books, what do we mean by the book or the banana or whatever? If you go a little bit back or way back to your first counting book, when you open the first page, the very first page, you see a drawing of, for example, a ball, and you get the number 1 beside it. The next page, you get 2 balls, maybe 2 bananas, 2 whatever, and you get the number 2 beside it. What we call those? We call them elements. And elements makes sets. We say a set of elements, and this is the building block of mathematics. How come the main operations of mathematics are 4 operations? We all know them. It's addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So when we have those 2 balls, a set of 2 balls, and we have another set of 1 ball. When we put them together in one set, what we get? Those are 2 balls and this is 1 ball. When we put them together, we get the number 3, a new set of 3 balls. This is the basic, this is the building block of numbers. Right. Some people say that mathematics is difficult. We don't see mathematics in real life. We never seen sine x in real life. We didn't even see x in real life. That's wrong. Mathematics is everywhere around us. The applications, you don't have to know what sine x is or tan x, or you don't have to know, but you know the concepts. You know the application of that. For example, a footballer. A footballer with the same force, if he kicked the ball straight up, this is angle 90, a right angle. The ball will go up and get down to the same point if there is no other force that we didn't consider any other forces. But if we kick the ball with an angle 0, it will go to a certain point. But a good footballer, without knowing sine or tan or whatever, would know that he had to kick the ball with angle 45 to get it as far as possible. He didn't know that. He didn't know what tan x is. But by practice, if he shoots the ball with angle 45 degrees, we'll get it as far as possible. If you threw the ball with this angle. So what I want to say is, applying mathematics in real life, if you observed around you, you'll get mathematics everywhere. The matrices, this is a big topic that we'll discuss in some of the other videos. Matrices is everywhere, in banking systems, in economics, in so many applications, you'll get them. So this channel, what exactly doing? It's taking the rules of mathematics from being just rules to, first of all, simplifying them and applying them in real life. So if you like to see mathematics from a different angle, this is the place where you need to be. Some people would say, just final example before I finish this video, some people would say x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Some people would say, what's that? That's rubbish. Or some students would just learn that, memorize that rule and apply it in the exam without even knowing what that is. But when we discuss the quadratic formula, you understand exactly. You would look at this formula from a different angle. You would really understand why we put those numbers here, why we put minus here, why everything is there. So the idea behind this channel is to simplify things and to make you look at things from a different angle. We'll see you in the next video to discuss things from the very basic, from finding x, going to algebra, and then going to the rest fields of mathematics. Thank you.